So the Viking bags, how are they doing actually? Well, now I have been on the bike for around 750 kilometers. Hi guys, and welcome to Wielandt Moto. Well, try to have a look at what Santa Claus brought me this morning. A brand new pair of Viking bags. And I have to say, until now I'm pretty impressed. The way they arrive is of course in a box, but inside the box they are covered in this fabric here. You can definitely tell that they have been protected all the way, and this is how they look. A mono key for each of the bags, of course, and also a complete solution for mounting is part of it as well. Viking mounting kit, yes. So, and there's some stuff here as well. So I can't wait. Let's get them fitted. So the Viking bags, how are they doing actually? Well, now I have been on the bike for around 750 kilometers, and I have to say I've taken them through rain. I have been driving on cobblestones, so they have been shaking all over, and they are just dead steady. I mean, the combination with the Triumph America, with the Viking saddlebags, and with the mounting gear that you have from the original Triumph saddlebags is just perfect. So it definitely works. So I'm very pleased and happy with the Viking bags.